Good morning, guys. Beautiful day here in Santa Cruz. A lot of clouds. I always like the overcast, but today I'm going to show you how to catch some barred surf perch using live bait. So I caught all of my live bait last night because I went out here on the beach here and I was able to see a bunch of sand crabs. And sometimes during the day you don't see them, so I just took advantage of the time and just made sure I stocked up on a big handful of sand crabs. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to find these sand crabs at the beach. I don't know if I'll find any right now, but hopefully we do, just so I can show you. Either way, I'll show you how to catch them. All right, but it's simple. When the water's up, you take a net. You can use a hand, you can use a ripped plastic bag, put the net down to the sand, let the water fall back into the air. Oh, look at that, guys. That's a big bundle. Wow, nice and fresh. So if you find them on the beach, it's a good idea to take the opportunity to go ahead and just keep a bag full of them and then store them in the fridge, because they'll last about 3 days. Like I said, you don't really need a net. You could use a grocery bag with holes in the bottom, or you could just use your hands, really. Hands are a little bit harder. The net just makes the life easier. So what I like to do at this point is I'll take the sand crab and then I'll hook it right through the head, out the top. You want to try and find your soft shell ones, and the soft shell ones basically mean that they've recently molted. Those will hook easier and they'll stay on your hook easier too. But I didn't find any soft shell ones last night. Might just have to deal with what we got. So there you go, Carolina rig. We're just gonna go ahead and let it chill. Let the waves do the talking, you know what I mean? Whoa, look at that. Got like a cluster of mussels on my thing. Interesting, interesting. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So tide is pretty low. Might affect what I'm doing. Wind is pretty high right now. I don't know if that's gonna mean anything. The wind is coming onshore from the ocean. My fish on? I think I'm fish on. No, I'm either fish on or seaweed on. Pretty sure it's just seaweed. Yeah, just seaweed. Oh no! I'm fish on, guys! Whoa, what? You guys! What is going on? Oh, guys! Woo! This is my biggest surf perch! Woo! Yeah! Yo, my fish is on, baby! Look at that! That's a toad! That's a slab. Ay. Live bait is the truth. Sand crabs, baby. Oh, Molly. Look at it. Get a good look. Get a good look. Oh, mama. I know what I'm eating for dinner tonight. And it definitely ain't a burger, let me tell you that much. Let's get another one going. Let's get another one going, huh? I hardly even tried, huh? Let's get another one going. I just left that out there. I just left it out there, that's it. No reeling, no nothing. Let the waves do the talking, baby. Let the waves do the talking. I thought you guys saw that seaweed? I could have sworn that was seaweed. Look, sand crabs, baby. Live bait. Live bait. That's all I gotta say. It's obviously a good bait because that's what they're eating out here. That's why they come to the shore, to get those sand crabs. You know what I mean? God, oh my God. I can't believe. I've been waiting. You guys don't understand how long I've been waiting to get a fat slab like that. You guys have no clue. That's what it's all I wanted. I could sleep like a happy man now. One last look at that, guys. It's beautiful. All right, guys, that's it for me. Done fishing for the day with the live bait. Sand crabs do wonders. I mean, look at this baby that I caught. He's huge. I don't have the exact measurements right now, but once I get to the house over there, I'll measure them and probably put it in the description of how long it was, how many inches. And yeah, hopefully you guys get out there, catch some sand crabs, catch a perch like I did. You don't even have to buy any plastics or any bait. Just get the bait right on shore. All you need is a hook, a weight, a line, and a rod. That's it for me, though. Thanks for watching, guys.